Hello friends, this is Muhammad Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMSTech. Today I am going to show you how to create bootable USB. As I told in my previous video, how to copy Intel Rapid Storage drive in bootable USB. So kindly follow the steps. So I already downloaded the ISO file and Rufus. So we will open. You have to use one empty pen drive, USB flash drive, and I will use this Rufus. Run as administrator. Click yes. I'm going to select this disk or ISO image. Select. I already copied on the desktop, so I will choose this one. Okay. Here, partition scheme, keep GPT. This one, target system UEFI mode. If you want to give label for the USB, you can give here the name like Windows 11, and I will keep this one as it is and start. You can create local user. It will directly create the local account for your laptop or your PC. So if you want this name, you can create any name here like John, as you like your name. So if you don't want, just remove this one and click OK. If click OK, please be wait until this one finish. Now it's ready to use. I will close this one. You can see here it's already created, Windows bootable USB. Now I will download the drive, Intel Rapid Storage Technology application, drive application. So click Google Chrome and type here Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver and application. Click OK and go to here Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver and application. Click OK. So it will redirect to any page of Dell Technologies. From here you can download this one. It will support for any laptop, even Lenovo, HP or any laptop. You can download this one. This one already downloaded. Just copy this file to Windows bootable USB and paste here. Now we will extract this one. Right click, show more option. Use this 7-zip application. I will click here, extract to Intel Rapid Storage Technology, and it will extract inside this bootable USB. It's extracting here. These are the simple steps to download and copy and extract the drive in bootable USB. If you like my video, kindly please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on bell icon to get new updates. And thank you for watching.